Good morning, students. Welcome to online classes. So today topic is reproductive system of cockroach. So cockroach sexual dimorphism is seen in the cockroach. It is a dioecious animal. Dioecious means unisexual animal. Unisexual. So it is a unisexual. Unisexual means male and female. Male and female organisms are separate. Bisexual means if one organism having both male and female reproductive system, that is called bisexual. Monoecious or bisexual. Okay, now bisexual organism that has animal that has both male and female reproductive organs in the same individual. For example, earthworm. In the earthworm, male reproductive system and female reproductive system both are present in the body of earthworm. That's why it is bisexual animal. But cockroach is unisexual animal. Unisexual male reproductive organs are present in the male cockroach. Female reproductive organs are present in the female cockroach. So both are separate. Male and female cockroaches both are separate. Sexually dimorphic characters are also present. So by seeing that cockroach externally, we can identify the male and female cockroaches. So what are the differences present externally between the male and female cockroaches? So abdomen of the male cockroaches. Male cockroaches abdomen, it is long and narrow. Long and narrow abdomen is present in the male cockroach. Female cockroach, short and broad abdomen. Short and broad abdomen is present in the female cockroach. Male cockroach's abdomen is long and narrow. Long and narrow abdomen is present in the male cockroach. Short and broad abdomen is present in the female cockroaches. Next, we know that anal styles, one pair of anal styles, unjointed anal styles are present lateral sides of ninth sternum. We discussed at the time of explanation of abdomen. Okay, so here anal styles are present. One pair of anal styles are present only in the male cockroach. Okay, only in the male cockroaches anal styles are present. In the female cockroaches anal styles are absent. Okay, so abdomen is long and narrow abdomen is present in the male cockroach. Short and broad abdomen is present in the female cockroach. Anal styles are present in the male but absent in the female cockroaches. And one more is there, that is brood pouch. So brood pouch, it is absent. Brood pouch is absent in the male cockroaches and it is present in the female cockroaches. Brood pouch, which store the eggs. Eggs are formed and eggs are stored in the female cockroaches in one pouch, which is called brood pouch. So brood pouch is present in the female cockroaches only. So these are the sexually dimorphic characters. Question: identify the sexually dimorphic characters of cockroach. Sexually dimorphic characters are short and broad abdomen in the female, absence of anal styles and presence of brood pouch in the female cockroach. Sexually dimorphic characters are the short and broad abdomen, absence of anal styles and presence of brood pouch. So we can separate the female cockroaches from the male cockroaches having these features. Female cockroaches, short and broad abdomen, anal styles are absent and brood pouch is present. Okay, now so it exhibits sexual dimorphism. Sexually dimorphic characters are seen in the cockroaches. Okay, now we can identify the differences between the male and female cockroaches. By externally we can identify the differences between the male and female cockroaches. So it is a unisexual animal. Unisexual or dioecious animal. Then first we look at the first reproductive system, that is male reproductive system of cockroach. Male reproductive system of cockroach. So male reproductive system of cockroach that consists reproductive organs. It has reproductive organs. What are the organs present in the male reproductive system? So first organs are the testes. Okay, now testes are the male reproductive organs. So these are the testes. Okay, now these are the testes. So testes are the male reproductive organs which are present in between the 4 to 6 abdominal segments. 4 to 6 abdominal segments. 4, 5, 6. Fourth segment, fifth segment, sixth segment. Okay, now 4 to 6 abdominal segments that consists one pair of both the sides. One pair of testes are present. So these are elongated. Testes are elongated structures. Where these are present, locations are important. Where these are present between the 4 to 6. 4, 5, 6 abdominal segments. 4 to 6 abdominal segments that consist one pair of testes. Then inside the testis that consists some tubules, seminiferous tubules. Okay, inside the testis it consists seminiferous tubules which produce the spermatozoa. Function of testis is production of spermatozoa. What are spermatozoa? Spermatozoa are the male gametes. Testes are the male reproductive organs and spermatozoa are the male gametes. Spermatozoa. So where that spermatozoa are produced inside the testis in the seminiferous tubules. Okay, in the seminiferous tubules spermatozoa are formed. Then spermatozoa which are formed in the seminiferous tubules are transported into these some ducts which are called vasa efferentia. Okay, now they are transported to the vasa efferentia. Vasa efferentia, small ductules which are present inside the testis. Then these vasa efferentia are opening into one pair of ducts which are called vasa deferentia. Okay, now vasa deferentia or vasa deferentia. So these are the tubules which are called vasa deferentia. Vasa deferentia are arising from the posterior end of the each testis. Okay, now so we are discussing about the reproductive organs of male cockroach. In the reproductive system of male cockroach, one pair of testes are present. Where these are present, 4 to 6, 4, 5, 6 abdominal segments which are embedded in the fat bodies. So these are inserted in the fat bodies. Then each testis that consists many seminiferous tubules which produce spermatozoa, and spermatozoa are transported into vasa efferentia which are connected with the vasa deferentia. These are the vasa deferentia. Okay, now vasa deferentia function. So transport of spermatozoa, transport of spermatozoa, sperms. The sperms which are produced in the testis are transported into other part of the reproductive system through these ducts which are called vasa deferentia. Okay, then vasa deferentia is opening into one duct which is called ejaculatory duct. It is opening into one duct which is called ejaculatory duct. Here, this is the ejaculatory duct. So vasa deferentia are opening into the ejaculatory duct. That means spermatozoa which are formed in the testis are transported through vasa efferentia, vasa deferentia, then into the ejaculatory duct. They release the spermatozoa into ejaculatory duct. Next, here one gland is present. Okay, now this one is called gland, which is called mushroom gland. This gland is called mushroom gland. Mushroom gland, mushroom shape. The shape of the gland is just like mushroom. Mushroom shaped gland is present. This one. It has two types of tubules. So you can see two types of tubules which are long. Okay, first type of tubules are long tubules, and the second type of tubules are called short tubules. Long tubules and short tubules, two types of tubules, and also seminal vesicles are also present. Okay, three types of tubules are present in the mushroom shaped gland. Mushroom gland that has three types of tubules. Which are called long tubules. So long tubules are also called as utriculi majors. Long tubules are also called as utriculi majors. So these are the long tubules. Okay, long tubules, other name utriculi majors. Next, second type of tubules are called short tubules, which are also called as utriculi breviors. Okay, now utriculi breviors are called short tubules. Third type of structures are called seminal vesicles. Okay, now three structures are present in the mushroom shaped gland. Where it is present? It is present in the 6th and 7th abdominal segments. Okay, now here these three, utriculi majors, utriculi breviors, and seminal vesicles, collectively called as one gland, which is called mushroom gland. Where it is present? It is present in the 6th and 7th abdominal segments. 6th and 7th abdominal segments that consists these mushroom glands. That mushroom gland that has three types of tubules called long tubules, utriculi majors, short tubules, utriculi breviors, seminal vesicles. What are the functions of these tubules? So long tubules are utriculi majors that form the inner layer of the spermatophore. Here, what is spermatophore? The spermatozoa which are formed in the testis are stored in bundle. The bundle of spermatozoa is called spermatophore. The bundle of spermatozoa. So here this bundle that has many spermatozoa. Okay, now spermatozoa are present in the form of a group which also consists fluid, seminal fluid. So group of spermatozoa or bundle of spermatozoa is called spermatophore. It is called spermatophore. Okay, bundle of spermatozoa is called spermatophore. So these spermatophores are having three layers. Inner layer, middle layer, outer layer. Three layers are present in the spermatozoa called inner layer, middle layer, and outer layer. Here, inner layer of the spermatophore is formed by the utriculi majors. Okay, utriculi majors that form the inner layer of, note down point, inner layer of the spermatophore is formed by the utriculi majors. Then short tubules are utriculi breviors. Are short tubules that provide the nutrients to the developing spermatozoa. Inside the spermatophore, spermatozoa are present. These spermatozoa that provide the nutrients from short tubules are utriculi breviors. Okay, now what are the functions of the short tubules or utriculi breviors? Useful for the nutrition. Okay, now provide nutrition to the spermatozoa. Then seminal vesicles. Seminal vesicles stores spermatophores. Okay, spermatophores are stored in the seminal vesicles only. Clear? Functions. Structure of mushroom shaped gland. Mushroom gland, it is present in the 6th and 7th abdominal segment. It has three types of tubules. What are they? Long tubules called utriculi majors. Short tubules which are called utriculi breviors. Then seminal vesicles. Long tubules function that form the inner layer of spermatophore. Then short tubules that provide the nutrients. Then seminal vesicles stores spermatophores. It stores the spermatophores. Then here utriculi majors are also involving in the excretion. Okay, na? So during the it also store the uric acid, it also excrete the uric acid during the copulation. Three types of tubules are present in the mushroom shaped gland. Testis, vasa differentia, mushroom gland. Three parts. Next part in the male reproductive system. Next part. Next part, it is the ejaculatory duct. Ejaculatory duct. This one is the ejaculatory duct. Here, vasa differentia are opening into seminal vesicles. So, spermatozoa which are formed in the testis are transported into vasa differentia into seminal vesicles, then seminal vesicles into the one common duct which is called ejaculatory duct. So, one median common duct is present which is called ejaculatory duct. This ejaculatory duct is opening outside. It is opening outside through one pore. Ejaculatory duct is opening outside through one pore which is called male gonopore. This opening is called male gonopore. Okay, na? So through the male gonopore only ejaculatory duct is opening outside. And one more, ejaculatory duct also forms the middle layer of spermatophore. Already we discussed spermatophore, group of spermatozoa called spermatophore. It has three layers. Inner layer of spermatophore is formed by the long tubules. Then middle layer is formed by the ejaculatory duct. Okay, the middle layer of the spermatophore is formed by the ejaculatory duct, which is opening outside through one pore called male gonopore. Clear here how that spermatozoa are transferred. Spermatozoa which are formed in the testis are transported into vasa differentia, then into seminal vesicles, ejaculatory duct, male gonopore, and releasing into the female cockroach. Transportation of the spermatozoa in the male reproductive system. And one more gland is present which is called phallic gland. One more gland is there which is called phallic gland or conglobate gland. Okay, na? Conglobate gland, phallic gland or conglobate gland, just behind the mushroom shaped gland. Just backside of the mushroom shaped gland, one gland is present which is called phallic gland or conglobate gland. This gland, it is also continuous posteriorly and opening outside. It is opening outside through one pore near the male gonopore. Here two openings are present. One is the male gonopore, which is the opening of ejaculatory duct. Second one is the pore, which is the opening of phallic gland duct. What is the function of phallic gland? Phallic gland that forms the outer layer. It forms the outer layer of spermatophore. Outer layer of spermatophore. Clear? Three layers are present in the spermatophore. Where the spermatophores are present? Spermatophores are stored in the seminal vesicle. Spermatophore means group of spermatozoa with some amount of seminal fluid is called spermatophore. It has three layers. What are they? Outer layer, middle layer, inner layer. Outer layer is formed by the phallic gland. Okay, outer layer is formed by phallic gland. Middle layer is formed by the ejaculatory duct. Inner layer is formed by the long tubules. Okay, long tubules are utriculi majors. Outer layer is formed by phallic gland. Most important sequence, outer to inner layers formation. Outer layer is formed by the phallic gland. Middle layer is formed by the ejaculatory duct and inner layer formed by the long tubules. Inside many spermatozoa are present. Clear? So 3 layers are present in the spermatophore. It is called spermatophore. So what are present inside the spermatophore? Spermatophore that consists the spermatozoa. It consists spermatozoa and also seminal fluid. It also consists the seminal fluid. Spermatozoa and seminal fluid are present inside the spermatophore. Many spermatophores are present stored in the seminal vesicles. Okay, many seminal vesicles are present. Reproductive organs. We are discussing about the reproductive organs. Reproductive organs are testes. Location 4 to 6 abdominal segments. Then vasa deferentia. Vasa deferentia are opening into ejaculatory duct. Then mushroom gland, which has 3 tubules, long tubules, short tubules and seminal vesicles. Long tubules, utriculi majors. Then short tubules, utriculi brevis, seminal vesicles. Next, ejaculatory duct. Ejaculatory duct is opening outside through one pore called male gonopore. Then one more gland is there, that is phallic gland. Phallic gland, it is also opening outside through one pore near the male gonopore. Near the male gonopore. Next, other organs, the most important organs are the external genitalia. External genitalia of male cockroach. So external genitalia. External genitalia of male cockroach are called phallomeres. Phallomeres or gonapophyses. External genitalia of male cockroach are called phallomeres or gonapophyses. Here 3 gonapophyses are phallomeres. External genitalia means they are visible outside. Just like in the human being's penis is the external genitalia. Okay, na? So scrotum, then penis are the external genitalia which are visible outside. In the cockroach, phallomeres or gonapophyses are the external genitalia. So how many gonapophyses are present? 3 gonapophyses are present. 3 gonapophyses are present, which are called right phallomere. Right phallomere, right phallomere, left phallomere. Right phallomere, left phallomere and ventral phallomere. Right phallomere, left phallomere and ventral phallomere. Right phallomere, this one is the right phallomere. Again, right phallomere, then ventral phallomere and left phallomere. Right phallomere, ventral phallomere and left phallomere. So in this left phallomere is the largest phallomere. Then here left phallomere. On the left phallomere only one opening is present, which is called male gonopore. Okay, now most important point, where that male gonopore is present. Male gonopore is located on the left phallomere. It is located on the left phallomere. Then ventral phallomere. Ventral phallomere. The largest phallomere is the ventral phallomere. So ventral phallomere, again it has 2 parts, which are called pseudopenis. Pseudopenis and titillator. Okay, pseudopenis and titillator are the 2 parts present in the ventral phallomere, which is largest phallomere. Okay, and it is the largest phallomere or left phallomere. It is ventral phallomere, that is the male gonopore, and left phallomere. Left phallomere that has the 2 parts. Left phallomere has the 2 parts, which are called pseudopenis and titillator. Clear? So once again, right, ventral, left, right phallomere, ventral phallomere and left phallomere. So on the ventral phallomere only male gonopore is present. Then left phallomere that has two parts which are called pseudopenis and titillator, which is the largest. It is the largest phallomere. What is the function of phallomere? Phallomere that helps in the releasing of spermatozoa into the female cockroach. During the copulation, the spermatozoa which are formed in the testis are transported into vasa efferentia. Vasa efferentia into the vasa differentia. Okay, vasa efferentia into vasa differentia. Then vasa differentia into the seminal vesicles. Then in the seminal vesicles they are stored temporarily and they are present in the form of spermatophore. Then seminal vesicles are opening into ejaculatory duct. These spermatozoa are transported into ejaculatory duct. Ejaculatory duct into the male gonopore. Here near the male gonopore only phallomeres are present. These phallomeres helps to releasing of spermatozoa into the female cockroach. Releasing of spermatozoa into the female cockroach. That is the function of phallomere, which are called external genitalia. And this is the most important points in the reproductive system. Locations, testis, 4 to 6 abdominal segments. Testis are present in the 4 to 6 abdominal segments. Function, testis produce the spermatozoa. Next, vasa differentia. Vasa differentia are the tubes which transfer the spermatozoa. Okay, next mushroom gland. Mushroom gland is present in which location, which part of the body? 6th and 7th abdominal segments of the cockroach has the mushroom shaped gland. 3 tubules and their functions. Long tubules form inner layer of spermatophore. Then short tubules provide nutrients. Then seminal vesicles store spermatozoa. Okay, stores spermatozoa, seminal vesicle function. Ejaculatory duct that carry the spermatozoa and opening outside through pore called male gonopore. Then phallic gland is present just behind the mushroom gland. Phallic gland function of phallic gland is it forms the outer layer of the spermatophore. Okay, next gonapophysis. 3 gonapophysis are there. Right, left, ventral. Okay, so left one is the largest one, which has the pseudopenis and titillator. Next, ventral phallomere. On the ventral phallomere only male gonopore is present. Okay, the important points in the male reproductive system. Sexual dimorphism is seen in the male and female cockroaches. That's why it is unisexual, dioecious or unisexual organism. And already we discussed the differences between the male and female cockroaches. In the next class, we will discuss the female reproductive system. Okay, what are the organs present in the female reproductive system, their functions, we will discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you.